This is where hosting gets easier. One smart layout, 0 repeat questions.
I'm Jessica. I've spent 20 years building systems for teams and companies, and now I help hosts do the same. If you've ever thought there has got to be a better way to do this, you're right, and we're going to build it together. Let's get into it.
With the right layout, your guide works for you. Clear for guests, simple to update, and ready to grow. Let's walk through the key features that make a template truly guest-friendly, so you can pick one that works now and grows with you later. To get started, head to your WordPress dashboard, click on Appearance, then Themes, and choose Add Theme. In the search bar, type Rufus. It's clean, mobile-friendly, and perfect for hosting. Once you see it, click Install, then Activate. That's it. Your site now has a guest-ready foundation that's simple to customize. Now that your theme's active, let's start customizing styles to match your hosting flow. The Customize panel is where your guest site starts to feel like you. Fonts, colors, and layout styles might seem small, but they quietly shape how your guests experience your space even before they arrive. Removing pages you don't need keeps your site clean and focused. Updating your fonts and colors helps your guide feel intentional, not just thrown together. Whether you're warm and welcoming or sleek and simple, your site should reflect that tone. And when everything looks and feels consistent, guests trust it more, which means fewer questions and smoother stays. You don't need a design background to make these updates. A few thoughtful choices here will go a long way in creating a brand that feels clear, calm, and helpful. You did it! You've installed your theme, customized the look, and started shaping your guest site to reflect your hosting style. These first steps are all about creating clarity, comfort, and ease for your guest. Next up, we'll walk through the must-have pages every host should include and how to make each one truly guest-ready.